Good morning, children. All of you, please open your English literature book to page number 115. Today we will study the new chapter, A Game of Hopscotch. What is the meaning of this hopscotch? All of you put your finger. What is the meaning of hopscotch, children? It is a game which children play. And how do you play? You make squares on the floors and you used to throw the stones on each square and you used to hop with your feet. Got it, all of you? So this is a game of girls which they play and they make squares on the ground or floor and they play. Here also, children, in this story we will come to know that there are two girls, namely Tinku and Mary, and they will play this hopscotch here. So please all of you put your finger. List of characters: Tinku, Mary, Shadow, Paro. Tinku is a little girl who lives in a remote cottage in a Duliatal with her parents and her cousin Paro. One day, while wandering across the hills, she meets Mary, a girl of her age, and Shadow, her dog. They talk and play together for some time till Mary leaves when she hears her father's horse trotting up the road. A few days later, Mary helps Tinku's aunts find their way back to their cottage but leaves before they actually reach it. Tinku is sad that she could not meet her friend. A few months pass before the two meet again on a day when Tinku is alone at home with Paro. Now, children, here Tinku is a little girl and she lives in a remote cottage. Remote cottage means, children, ekant jhopdi. That means there are no any other houses present nearby. So Tinku is a little girl. She lives in a remote village with her cousin Paro. Since this Duliatal, what is this Duliatal, children? It is a hill station near Nainital. So it is a place where it is covered with snow, and that means they are living in the hills. It is very cold there. So here Tinku, she is a girl. She lives with her cousin Paro in Duliatal with her parents. And children, since she lives in the hills, she wanders across the hills. While wandering across the hills, Tinku met a girl named Mary. Mary too was wandering in the hills with her dog Shadow. What was the name of Mary's dog? The name of Mary's dog was Shadow. Mary was of Tinku's age. They both met each other. They both were busy in talking, playing with each other. And when this Mary and Tinku, they were talking, Mary heard what she heard. She heard father's horse trotting up the road. What is father's? Matlab, children, her father, Mary's father, he was on the horse and he was coming back to the hills. Trotting means, children, the noise made by the hoofs of the horses. You must have seen horse. Horse को आप लोग देखे हैं, children. उसके पैर में वो मोटा सा रहता है बहुत, उसको हम लोग हूफ्स कहते हैं. तो जब हॉर्स चलता है तो उस हूफ्स का आवाज आता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रॉटिंग. तो वो मेरी हियर्स द ट्रॉटिंग साउंड ऑफ द हॉर्सेस एंड शी टेल्स दैट now I am going back because my father is coming, so I am going back now. I am going back now. And after few days, children, what happened that a few days later, what happened? Mary helps Tinku's aunts Tinku's aunts, they were coming to Dulyatal to meet Tinku, and they lost their way. टिंकू की आंट जो लोग हैं वो लोग दुलियातल टिंकू से मिलने आ रही थी और वो लोग अपना रास्ता खो दी थी. They lost their way. So this girl, she helped Tinku's aunts to reach the home. Okay? Before she met this Mary left that place. That means children, मेरी जो है उन लोगों को कॉटेज तक पहुंचा के अपने लौट गई. एंड दिस टिंकू, शी वॉज अनेबल टू मीट हर फ्रेंड. अगेन चिल्ड्रन, months passed, several months passed, and she met her friend again when she was all alone at home with Paru. All of you put your finger now. Tinku pulls out a tissue while sneezing. This awful cold. How long will I be stuck indoors because of this? It was very cold, children. Big Tinku was living in the hills. It was very cold, and this Tinku, she was suffering from cold. So what she does, she pulls out her tissue and she sneezes and she tells that this is awful cold. ये बहुत भयानक कोल्ड है. हम कब तक इस तरह घर में रहेंगे? How long will I be stuck indoors because of this? She looks outside the window. It is raining and a thick mist is swirling over the hills. Suddenly she hears a voice from behind. Now children, Tinku, what she is doing here now? She opens the window and she peeps outside. What she sees that it is raining and there were mist everywhere. Mist means kohra. And while she was watching all this, she hears a voice from behind. टिंकू जो है खिड़की खोलती है और देखती है कि बारिश हो रहा है और कोहरा चारों तरफ इर्द गिर्द घूम रहा है. तभी ही वो एक आवाज़ सुनती है. Now children, this mist is swirling. इस बीच आप लोग भी देख रहे होंगे, आप लोगों के इर्द गिर्द बहुत कोहरा घूम रहा है. एवरीवेयर, when you open the door or windows of your house, then everywhere you see this mist. The same, this Tinku is also watching. Okay? While she was watching, then what happens? She hears a voice from behind. Try some eucalyptus oil. Daddy says it's very good for cold. Now children, this Tinku, she hears a voice telling that try some eucalyptus oil. Daddy says that it is good for cold. This word, this Tinku hears. Tinku jumps in surprise. She has not heard anyone come in. She turns around quickly to see a figure in an old-fashioned raincoat. A little dog stands by the figure wagging its tail. Now children, after listening this voice, Tinku jumped. She got scared. She jumped in surprise and she got surprised because children, she has not seen anyone entering the house. So she heard this voice. She was scared that who is talking to her. And when she turned back, what she find that there is a old fashioned raincoat. Somebody is wearing old fashioned raincoat and one dog is beside that person. Tinku excited, Mary and Shadow too. How nice of you to come and see me. I was wondering where you were all these days. Now Tinku, she got excited. After turning back, she recognized that the person who was wearing raincoat was nobody else but her friend Mary with her dog Shadow. She was very excited and she told that she is very happy to see them, and she also asked that where were you all these days. Mary, I was laid up with fever. Mary answered that she was suffering from fever, so she has not arrived. So she has not arrived. Tinku. Now, children, laid up means I was laid up with fever. That means हम बुखार से लेटे हुए थे. Okay. Now all of you turn your page.